Welcome. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove the front covers for this particular vehicle, the Nissan Titan. Okay guys, now for the bottom section we have a 12 millimeters. We have 4 bolts right here. We have to remove some electronics. And I think we're gonna go which, let's see, this one. And I think we can keep this one on the cushion, but we need to remove it from the source here. And then you have the cushion. It's just hot rings on them. We can just cut them. And this here, the truck doesn't have airbags. But there is a sensor right there. And again guys, just hot rings. We just cut them off. That's gonna be for the backrest. Same is gonna be for the cushion. Look here so you can see. Sensor. And for this is just hack rings. Okay, that completes the removal of the covers. In the next video we're gonna be doing the loading, the sorting of the whole kit, put it every cover in the place that it belongs, and I start to do the loading. It means to put the hack rings, and after that we're gonna finish the trimming, all the attachments to the frame and then headrest, and obviously the video for the completion. Guys, if you have questions, please put it in the chat, in the comments, and I will continue in the next video.